So, you want to know a body recomposition workout plan at home for beginners. Well, you're in luck because I'm going to answer that question in this video. What is up? I'm Sawyer from Resurrected Body Recomposition. You are gay. As usual, I'm going to produce this video without any cuts, edits, a script, images, colors, music, pictures, graphics, naked guys, naked girls, because I'm not a fag like all the other YouTubers who are bought and paid for and controlled by Jays. Now that that is out of the way, what is a good body recomposition workout plan at home for beginners? That is a fucking mouthful. But I will answer your question because I am a nice man. So you want to do body recomposition, but you don't want to go to the gym. Well, I think that's your first mistake. I think that's retarded. You should just go to the gym. You're going to make all these excuses in your mind, but the reason you don't want to is because you're afraid of what other people will think. That's the truth. You want to do it at home, and then after you see some improvements in your body, then you'll consider going to the gym. I think you should just start going to the gym, because you cannot do nearly as much at home as you can with equipment. But nevertheless, I will give you some ideas. So, in my not my last video, the video before that, I talked about the best workout plan, workout split, routine, regimen, and I said it was PPL. PPL is push-pull legs, right? So one day you do your push muscles, triceps, shoulders, chest. One day you do your pull muscles. There's no cuts in this video, so if I fuck up, it is what it is. One day you do your pull muscles, which is your biceps, your back. One day you do your leg muscles, legs. Then you can throw abs in wherever you want. And that was for people that are going to the gym. I would replicate that split just at home. That's what I would do. So for example, now it's going to be harder because you don't have equipment, but you can probably still find a way to make it work. For example, on push day, I would do like push-ups until failure for 6 minutes. So another thing too, when I do push-pull legs, I do 3 exercises per muscle group for 6 minutes until failure. So for example, when it's push day, I do chest, triceps, and shoulders. So chest is one muscle group. So for one muscle group, I do 3 exercises. I do those 3 exercises for 6 minutes. Now during that 6 minutes, I go until failure. So for example, one exercise would be bench press. So timer's going, 6-minute timer's going, doing bench press. I go until failure until I can't get another rep. And then I take a few second break, and I get back into it until failure. And I do that for 6 minutes. Okay, so that's one exercise. Second exercise would be incline dumbbell press, right? 6 minutes until failure. Another one would be chest flies, 6 minutes until failure. So those are my 3 exercises for my one muscle group, each for 6 minutes. So for at home, I would do, if you're a beginner too, I would do push-ups for 6 minutes until failure. You're not going to be able to do it for 6 minutes straight. That's okay. Do it as long as you can until you can't do another single push-up. Take a few second break, get back into it. Alright, so I would do push-ups. Then you could do decline push-ups where your feet are up on a couch or something and your hands are on the floor. Those are harder. Do that for 6 minutes until failure. Then you could do incline push-ups where your hands are on the couch and then your feet are on the ground. Those are a bit easier. 6 minutes until failure. For shoulders, you could find some like fucking gallon jugs or something. 6 minutes until failure, right? 6 minutes until failure, 6 minutes until failure. So shoulder press if you want to. I don't even do shoulder press. I just do the lateral raises. You can do shoulder press 6 minutes until failure, lateral raises, 6 minutes until failure, front raises, 6 minutes until failure. That's for shoulders. For triceps, you could do diamond push-ups, right? These work your triceps, 6 minutes until failure. You could do dips where your feet are on the floor and your arms are like this and you're going up and down like that. Those are called dips. Another one, I'm just going off the top of my head here. Another one you could take those same gallon jugs and do like standing up skull crushers like this. There's your 3 exercises. There's your push tip right there. For pull, biceps, it's just any kind of curl. So grab the gallon jugs again, 6 minutes until failure. You could do any type of curl really. So you could do just regular curls, 6 minutes until failure. You could do like your wrist straight curls, 6 minutes until failure. Then you could do like, I think these are called sunrise curls or good morning curls or something, where it's like this, 6 minutes until failure. For back is gonna be a tough one because you need something to like pull yourself. So if you have like a pull-up bar or something, that would be great. You can do different variations of pull-ups for 6 minutes until failure. You can try Australian pull-ups. It's like where a bar is waist high or something like that, and your feet are on the floor and you're pulling yourself up. You could try those. Yeah, you need some type of bar for back. Unless you want to do like rows, you could do rows, right, with the gallon jugs. Those would be okay, but pull-ups are really, really good. Yeah, it's pretty much all you can do for back. Rows with the jugs or some type of pull-up variation, right? And then legs, you could just do, if you're a beginner, you could just do regular squats for 6 minutes until failure. If that's too easy, you could do jump squats for 6 minutes until failure. You could do just body weight Bulgarian split squats for 6 minutes until failure. You could do lunges, weighted lunges for 6 minutes until failure. And then for abs, you can just do, look up 6 minute ab workout. Jeff Cavalier will pop up, Athlete Next, click on that. There you go. There is your fucking home workout. I just came up with that off the top of the dome. Okay? You're welcome. If you follow that workout routine that I just laid out and you go until failure, you will grow your muscles, believe it or not. You will grow your muscles. Going until failure is the most important part. If you train like a faggot, you're gonna be a faggot and look like a faggot. How the game goes, okay? So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And then, by the way, before I end it, I would do that. It's a 3-day split, right? So, push-pull legs, take a rest day, push-pull legs again. Since you're a beginner, if you just want to do it, start off with doing push-pull legs 1 time per week rather than 2. That's okay. Eventually work your way up to doing that split twice a week. Right? So push-pull legs, rest, push-pull legs. That's 7 days right there. So you can do it, hit each muscle group twice a week, which is optimal. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, you can fuck off. If you did, you can subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment that I will not read nor respond to, drop a share, drop a follow, drop a thumbs up, drop a thumbs down. I post 1 video every other day at 12 p.m. Central Time. Every other day, 12 p.m. Central Time. And I post 4 shorts across TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, My X account is banned because Elon. Not good. It's not good. So, check those out if you want to. I hope you enjoyed. I gotta do my thumbnail. Bro. I know if you watched my previous few videos, you see me doing this cringe shit. I know it's cringe, but I'm gonna try. Okay. Let me try the front double buy. I'm doing like an A/B test with the thumbnails here. Let me do like a. Do I look cringe? Tell me how cringe I look. I hate that, man. Ugh. Gives me like the. Sorry you guys had to see that, but it must be done. So, hope you enjoyed Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition. Peace.